Hey biscuits. So today I'm just out of the shower. I haven't put on lotion yet. Ooh. All scrubbed up, washed hair. I am going to try out this. A full facial blitz for skin in need. So it is supposed to be Soap and Glory. It's supposed to be a pink and peel mask. So I'm going to put it on my face. I've read the directions. It comes as a 2-pack for £4 in this kind of little thing. So it almost looks like a, what's the right word? A diner kind of jam jar thing. So let's open it up. I haven't opened one of these before, so. Oh, it's very pink. Okay, it's the color. Can I get that focused? It is the color of Pepto. Okay, we are going to, I'm going to fluff this up just around my shoulders. Don't worry, still dressed. Let's try this out. So this is the lid. Okay, I'm back. Let's try this out. So you're supposed to just, well, it's very thick. And obviously you want to focus on pore regions that you think, oh boy, this little part of my pores could use a bit more assistance in life. So I'm going to do kind of T-zone. I don't know how thick you're supposed to spread this on. I imagine this one little tub is supposed to be a full mask, but I don't know that for certain. And then this sets on for about 25 minutes, half an hour, so it is a long face mask. So I'm putting it on before I do any of my post-bath lotions. I'm back. Okay. Change up the memory card real fast as I was doing this. That is my dedication to you, beautiful biscuits. Our beauty routine. Third eye. Pore. Blackhead cleansing. It's so sticky. It's like putting melted bubble gum on your face. It doesn't feel bad though. Imagine it'll change my tune when it starts to dry and I go, oh, why can't I move my purse? I want to go down here too because I feel like this area gets just as much harassment from makeup and sunblock as anywhere else, but I rarely do enough facial mask time down there. Bathroom isn't as bright as it would be at home. It's a little hard for me to see where this is all going, so hopefully it's getting where it needs to be. Okay. We're ready to... Let's do some magic time now. Did you ever think you would see such a beautiful sight? Oh, hello, how are you? Yes, I just thought I'd pop in here. It's like 5-10 minutes in. So spooky. T-minus 4 minutes until we take this puppy off. Ooh. Okay, it's ready to come off. The alarm has dinged. I feel like the undersides of my neck still haven't finished drying completely, but I'm gonna crack that mask. Ready? Ooh. Okay, I've got a little mirror here. Figure out how to actually get this off. Let's see. Ready? Oh, it does fall. I can feel my pores being cleansed.
What will you do?
Peeling my mask off. Ooh. Okay, let's look at this and see if I see any actual things pull out of my pores. So far I don't see anything noticeable on it. Surprises me. I really don't see anything on this that I, blackheads or anything on the mask. Okay, do I think? You know what? It does make my skin softer, I will say. And I do think that even though I don't see anything on here, it feels like my pores are cleaner. I'm not sure how I'm going to get off this stuff. I think I was too liberal with the application of this face mask, because there are spots that it's hard to get off. Okay, this part has to dry a little more. Let's see. I don't know. Like, my face feels as though its pores have been cleansed, but I don't know if that's really the case or if it's just... I'm surprised I don't see anything on these. Okay, I am going to report back how my skin feels tomorrow morning, and we'll see.